What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and to another makeup tutorial. We're just gonna do what I always intend to do when I do these videos. Keep my intro short. I just wanted to bring this concoction to you because it is a concoction. I just turned on the camera and I started recording. It didn't turn out that bad, okay? This is the Juvia's Place, the Nubian 2 palette. I will say using these colors are a little intimidating, but I just said forget it and just went for it. And I'm gonna continue to do that. It's always usually pretty intimidating, but practice makes perfect. Then I went back into my 39L Hit the Lights palette by Morphe Brushes. I used the beautiful Love Bomb pressed glitter over in this little section over here in Miss Tui's section. Right there. And this is just what I came out with, okay? So I don't know what to tell you guys any further. I don't know what else to bring you except for, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have watched any of my other videos and you like this channel, hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell right beside it so that way you are notified of my future uploads. And we'll move on into this video. Make sure we drag that up as much as we can. Morocco. Now we're gonna add Jezebel and Kenya. Now we're gonna use Kenya. Now I'm gonna blend it out with my oval brush from Morphe. It is my M504 brush. Adding Kenya into my crease. Now I'm not exactly cut creasing, but I guess I kind of am. Cleopatra. Hit the Lights palette by Morphe. Now we're going to be taking Love Bomb because we're going to add some pressed glitter. We have a little bit of fallout. I'm just going to take like a little fluffy brush and twist it away. Now that I'm all powdered up, I'm gonna take my lovely mascara by Maybelline, nothing new, it's the Big Shot. This makeup is looking crazy, huh? It's looking crazy, but I'm trusting it'll just come together after, I don't know. It was an experiment, and I had a lot of fallout, so I just wanted to make sure, and of course give this a little bit more of a crispy look. I was gonna fix this more, but we're just gonna leave it grungy. I wanna leave it grungy. I will be back with my lashes and we will proceed with this look. I'm literally doing stuff out of order right now. I just realized I didn't finish my eyes, but I'll go back to it. now we're gonna be taking Morocco, and we're gonna use Morocco as blush. And of course, my lovely Morphe Brushes Continuous Setting Mist. Guys, I don't know what I did. I'm so tired today. And this is the concoction that I come up with. But it's not over until we add lips. I'm gonna add my KKW Beauty lip liner in Nude 3. I'm just gonna stick with my trusty Gerard Cosmetics Nude Hydra Matte Lip. Go with the trusty lippy boo.